everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle and I have another hair tutorial for you guys to try. If you guys would like to see how I got my hair like this, please continue watching and I hope you all enjoy.
Always start on fresh wash hair. Now I'm going to be creating a middle part. I already sectioned my hair from ear to ear. And then I'm just going to be pinning that hair away. Now for this particular style, you only have a few braids in the front, so you don't want the from ear to ear parting to be super thick. You want it to be pretty thinned out. Now I'm taking Certified Bella pomade. I really like this pomade, and then I'm going to be using Bella stimulating drops at the end to soothe my scalp once my braids are done. Now I just unraveled one side and I'm just parting that straight back, and I'm taking the rest and taking that out of my way. Then I'm going to take some of that Certified Bella pomade and smooth that on my hair. Only on the outer part of my hair like I usually do on my jams or pomades. And then I'm just going to comb that through just so it's not stuck at the root. And then I'm just going to simply braid. Now I'm creating another part, and I'm making sure this part is nice and clean. All the parts are nice and clean, so take your time. If you feel that your edges are a little thin or that you're constantly struggling to make the part correct, just take some bobby pins and pin the rest of the hair away. That way it stays out of your way before you braid. Then I'm just taking that pomade and just applying it to the outer edges and combing it through like I did before. And then I'm just going to start braiding it down. Don't forget to smooth out your edges with a toothbrush if you like. That is optional. It is totally up to you. So I have two more braids to go on this side, and I'm just splitting this in half, and then I'm going to apply some pomade on that section of the hair, and I'm going to be braiding that straight down, and then I'm going to be attaching this braid hanging out, attaching it with it. So just watch and learn. So I don't like how the parting is too thick, so I'm just going to readjust it and kind of slim it down a whole lot better, because the middle of my head is really thick. So yeah, I wasn't trying to have a big doodle braid in the middle of my head and trying to make that look cute. That was not going to happen, not going to work, okay? And not only that, you know, sometimes with braids you just got to be careful, because everyone got something weird about their head shape they don't like, you know, and sometimes braids can bring that out, so I'm really not trying to bring that out. Alright, yeah, moving on. So I did brush this part of my hair on dry hair, and I'm just gonna say don't do that. I don't know what I was thinking. Take some moisture, like some Aussie Moist conditioner or leave-in, and just apply that onto the ends just to help you, you know, braid a lot more smoother rather than struggling through dry, coarse hair. You don't want that. Trust me. So I'm going to finish braiding off this braid and speed up the rest of the video. That way you're not wasting time. People got things to do. But I do want you guys to watch the video to the very end, because I'm going to show you guys 2 ways of how to style this style. So you can either wear it with afro puffs, or you can spray your afro puffs and style it. Make some curls, perm rods that big. You know what I'm saying? I'm using my almond and avocado mousse, my Got2b gel, and I'm just taking my Denman brush and coming out any tight curls I have and smoothing that out with my fingers. And this is how I'm going to wear this style. I think it's so cute. You can also add some accessories if you like. I'm just applying some stimulating drops to my scalp to finish off this style, and I'm done. I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video. I think it's a really cute style. I hope you guys try it on yourself, on whoever. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your comments in the box below. Follow me on my social media, and I will see you all again in my next video. Bye.